We are an electric vehicle manufacturer. We make a two-wheel electric vehicle that is really unlike anything else on the planet. You can do everything from play golf on them with attachments, to put a sidecar, to make them off-road compatible. Really anything you can imagine we can build. We have customers all over the world, everybody from Bill Murray to Jeremy Renner. Most professional football players are customers, everybody from the Arizona Cardinals. These are all folks that ride fat scooters on a daily basis. We recently moved into this space, which is 48,000 square feet. We've got about 35 employees working here, about half in manufacturing and then half in administration and sales. We have had an onslaught ever really since we got started of customers that want to buy the product. Right now, we're only direct to consumer, so that means people have to actually physically pick up the phone and call us.
So Nextiva is built into our process for customer service. We're using Nextiva on their cell phones, desk phone, and on the desktop. We can take phone calls anywhere we are at, so we don't have to miss that customer service call or a sale. What led us to looking for that new business phone was the efficiencies of Nextiva, the cost, the capabilities, the call recording, the call groups, being able to do the attendance, the receptionist. My favorite feature of Nextiva is the call recording. Just reviewing those, making sure that our customer service reps are giving that customer service and train them on being a better employee. I'm from originally a call center background, so I do know what customer service looks like with Nextiva. Having that call recording and being able to have those features is definitely one of the #1 top things that I look for in a phone system. The future of fast scooters is moving into retail shops, hopefully opening up a customer service center just because, we're gonna grow, we're gonna have people calling in wanting service on their scooters. So Nextiva just honestly took fast scooters to the next level for customer service.